Kinetic energy of two particles A and B of mass 4 kg and 25 kg are equal. Find the ratio of their linear momentum. In this question, we know the mass of the two particles. Mass of the first particle is 4 kg and mass of the second particle is 25 kg. The given condition is kinetic energy of these two particles are equal. Kinetic energy of the first particle is equals to the kinetic energy of the second particle. We have to find out the ratio of their linear momentum. What is the relation between linear momentum and kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is equals to half mv square. Multiply and divide with mass. Why? Because to convert this formula in the form of momentum. Kinetic energy equals to half into m square v square. Right? mv whole square by m. The product of mass and velocity is called momentum. P square by 2m, where P is momentum. From this, momentum is equals to square root of 2mk, where k is kinetic energy. This is the relation between kinetic energy and linear momentum. P1 by P2 is equals to square root of 2m1 k1 by 2m2 k2. But here we know kinetic energy is same for the two particles. Get cancelled. 2 also get cancelled. Square root of m1 by m2. Mass of the first particle 4 kg. Second particle 25 kg. Write out of the square root 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is equals to 0.4. The ratio of the linear momentum 2:5. In decimal form 0.4. Check the given options. Second option is correct.